14:51 clocking. Was in the final last year. Namia Caprice of Martinique. She's back there again.
Lots of fine French hurdlers come from the Caribbean, Martinique and Guadeloupe, and she's joined that line of succession.
Zaza France of Curacao goes in lane number 3. Has an outside shot of a medal. She'll feel. Keela Harewood of Barbados.
Look, within qualifying, her country has produced a men's world champion, Ryan Brathwaite.
Fastest qualifier and the defending champion, Brianna Davidson of Jamaica.
Good starter, raced last night in the 4x1s, and though that team disqualified, she has gotten a taste of what it's like to be out here.
Here's the athlete who is fastest in the field on personal best, 13.16, qualified at 13.80, Kamoy Binger of Jamaica.
Maybe just about the favorite, a fine hurdle at full speed.
Sophia Swindle, U.S. Virgin Islands, goes in 7. And the Trinbagonian, Luis Gomez, goes in lane number 8.
USVI got a medal in this event last year through Michelle Smith. Already she's run the 4 hurdles, comes back later at 2 laps, 800 meters.
You would make the Jamaicans favorites. Could be a mad rush for the bronze medal if the race plays out how we expect it to. But this is track and field, and there's a reason we run the races.
Harewood looked pretty good in qualifying, but the heat winners, Binger and Davidson, looked the best.
2:35, Zaza Franz of Curacao in lane number 3. If she can put a good race together, has a real shot at a medal. Final of the under-17 girls 100-meter hurdles. First track final on the final day of CARIFTA 50. Davidson in 5, Binger in 6. The 2 Jamaicans favored here. Record 13.11. Crystal Morrison, another Jamaican, 2018.
Not safe. Binger has run 13.16 this season, and that some weeks ago, if she's peaked, that record could be caught.
As you pointed out, was not at the Jamaican High School Championships, so she comes in here fresh as well.
Which is a big factor for the Jamaican team this year. High power, high tension, high stress championship last week, and some of the athletes showing the stress and the effect of it.
Davidson ran the opening leg on Jamaica's under-17 sprint relay team last night.
Looked lively.
She sure did. They crossed the line first, but were later disqualified. The athletes get the command to head to their marks. Final of the under-17 girls 100-meter hurdles. Alfred, Caprice, France, Harewood, Davidson, Binger, Swindle, and Gomes. Off they go. Davidson, the defending champion, got up well. Binger starts to chase her. The 2 Jamaicans are already away from the rest. It's Davidson and Binger. Brianna Davidson defends her title brilliantly. Binger gets second, and the bronze medal goes to France of Curacao from lane 3. But the Jamaicans start brilliantly on the final afternoon of CARIFTA 50. And Brianna Davidson, a champion last year, is the champion again.
That's so nice. They used to be high school teammates, now at different schools, but when you put on that black, green, and gold, you're one team. Davidson wins, being a second, and the defending champions on a roll these last few days, and Davidson joins the ranks of them who retain their titles.
13:31 for Davidson, 13:51 for Binger, And France of Curacao takes third at 14:26. Told you she had a real shot at that bronze medal. And here's another look at it.
Binger on the left of the two Jamaicans. Davidson hurdling right beside her. The mistake by Binger coming up now. And the flawless defending champion flows away from her.
The final day of the CARIFTA Games 2025 in Port of Spain, Trinidad and Tobago, began with an electrifying performance in the under-17 girls 100-meter hurdles, a race that set the tone for the evening and highlighted the remarkable talent emerging from the Caribbean. In lane 5 stood the defending champion, Brianna Davidson of Jamaica, a powerful starter known for her composure and execution. Fresh off her participation in the 4x100-meter relay, Davidson looked sharp despite Jamaica's disqualification in that team event. Right beside her, in lane 6, was compatriot Kamoy Binger, the fastest athlete in the field based on personal bests. With a 13.16 to her name this season, Binger was seen as a strong contender and possibly the only one capable of challenging Davidson's title defense. The field also included promising athletes like Lou Alfred of French Guiana in lane 1, Namia Capri of Martinique, a returning finalist, and Zanza France of Curacao, who had shown medal potential during the heats. Other competitors, such as Keela Herwood from Barbados and Sophia Swindle of the U.S. Virgin Islands, added further Caribbean flair to an already exciting lineup. When the gun fired, both Jamaican athletes exploded out of the blocks, separating themselves from the rest of the field almost immediately. Davidson, running with remarkable precision and rhythm, never looked back. Binger pushed hard but couldn't match the flawless technique and top-end speed of her teammate. In a fitting display of championship poise, Brianna Davidson crossed the finish line first, defending her title with a personal best of 13.31 seconds. Kamoy Binger followed closely, clocking 13.51 seconds for the silver medal, confirming Jamaica's overwhelming dominance in this event. The battle for bronze proved just as gripping, with Zanza France of Curacao executing a strong race from lane 3 to claim third place in 14.26 seconds, validating her medal potential from the heats. This impressive 1-2 finish by Jamaica once again highlights the nation's deep sprinting and hurdling culture, especially in youth development. Davidson and Binger, who once trained together at the same school, showcased their chemistry and competitiveness even as rivals, unified under the Jamaican flag. It's also worth acknowledging the spirit and dedication of all the young athletes who competed. Every participant contributed to the high standard of this final, which will surely inspire the next generation of Caribbean hurdlers. As the 2025 athletics season heats up, with the World Championships in Tokyo on the horizon, performances like these give a glimpse into the future of track and field. With stars like Davidson and Binger already making waves at the regional level, it's only a matter of time before they emerge on the global stage. Stay tuned for more action from the CARIFTA Games and beyond, as the Caribbean continues to produce world-class talent.